Let's make some Nigerian dumplings. Fold the edges like this, pinch to seal, and it's ready.
Today, I'll show you how to make soft, juicy, complete, perfect from scratch.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen.
These dumplings are easy, delicious, and perfect for family dinner special occasions. Stay with me till the end because I'll also show you my secret for keeping the dumplings juicy and flavorful. Here are all the ingredients we'll be using today. We have fresh vegetables, shrimp, half dumplings, garlic, and a few seasonings to bring everything together beautifully. First, let's prepare our filling. Finely chop your carrots, cabbage, and green onions. Add your cleaned shrimp into a bowl, then mix in the vegetables, garlic, ginger, salt. Mix the adequate properly until fully combined. You want every bite to be juicy and packed with flavor. Now let's make our dumpling dough. Add flour into a large bowl, then gradually pour in warm water while mixing gently. Give you beautiful dumpling wrappers. Cover the dough and allow it to rest for about 20 minutes. Roll out the dough and cut into small circles. Now gently fold and seal the jet. Don't overfill the dumplings so they won't break while cooking. If your first few dumplings are not perfect, practice makes it easier. You can either steam, boil, or pan fry your dumplings. Today, I'll be pan frying them for a crispy golden bottom. Cook for a few minutes until lightly golden. The aroma at this stage is absolutely amazing. And here we have our beautiful homemade dumplings. Crispy outside, juicy inside, and packed with flavor. Look at that texture. Absolutely perfect. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with someone who loves good food. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I'll see you again in my next delicious recipe. Bye!
Welcome to NeneRecipetv.